Most people think creating professional videos means buying expensive cameras, lighting, editing, and hours of work.
But what if I told you this entire video was created from just one 15-second recording of myself?
No studio, no camera crew, no re-recording. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI digital twin using HeyGen AI.
This is an AI video generator that can literally clone your face, your voice, your expression, and your movements, and turn them into unlimited videos. And by the end of this tutorial, you will know how to create your own AI avatar, generate realistic videos, translate videos into multiple languages, and create content much faster than before. Now let's get started. Use the link in the video description below and you will be redirected to this website. One of the biggest reasons creators are using HeyGen AI right now is because it removes a lot of the stress from content creation. Instead of recording every single video manually, you can create AI version of yourself, type your script, and generate videos automatically. Now, let me show you exactly how to set everything up from the scratch. When you get to this website, the first thing you want to do is to click on Create Your Account. And once you sign in, you will land on the main dashboard where you will see tools like avatars, video creation, AI translation. For this tutorial, we are focusing mainly on the AI digital twin and video generation.
On the left hand side here, click on avatar for us to generate the AI avatar on this website. Then from here, you can see quick create, avatar shots, avatar voices, AI studio. We are going to be using the avatars here. At the upside here, you will see my avatars and then you will see public avatars. Then over here, you can see new avatar. You click on new avatar and then it's going to take you to this other page. From this other page, we have two options to create your avatar. You can clone a real person or you can create a virtual character. Meaning, if you don't want to use your own face, you can use the create a virtual character to create an AI image of yourself. To do that, you can either upload the photo or you can design that using the AI on this website. So we are going to start with the clone a real person, and then when you click on that, you have different options available to you here. You can record via the webcam on your laptop, or we have another option here called record via phone, and if you click on that, you'll be asked to scan this QR code. If you don't want to do that and you already have a recorded video of yourself on your device, then you need to come up here where you see upload footage. So that's the one I'm going to use. When you click on that, this is a quick instruction, the proper way to record yourself. And from here, I'm going to click on upload video footage. So I'm going to just look for a video footage I can use to do this. This is my uploaded video. You can come down here and name your avatars, and then I'll come here and click on create avatar. I'm going to show you how to use this avatar properly on this website. Now, just after some few minutes, you have your avatar ready to use. Then from here, we have two options. You can record a new voice, meaning you can clone your own voice by clicking on record voice, or you can use the voice from the footage you uploaded. Look at the voice from the footage I uploaded. You can click on this play option to listen to how the voice sounds like. And if you want to use the voice, then you click on use this voice. So I'm going to use the voice. Now from here, they say verification required, meaning you should verify yourself. So you click on verify.
Why this website requires you to verify your face is so that another person cannot use your identity.
After the verification, come here and click on done. And now your verification has been accepted. Now we can go ahead to use this avatar to create any video that we want to create. Now, to create your video, you can see on the right hand side here, you can do a little bit of design to your avatar, but I won't be doing that. So I will be using the script option here. So I need to enter the script that I want this my avatar to say. Another thing you can do here is you can record an audio of what you want the avatar to say and use the upload audio option here to do that. Now we have script writer. We have AI script writer here, which you can use. But I'm going to just type in the script which I want to use. To enter in your script, press / on the keyboard and then you paste in the script that you want to use. So you can just edit the script by yourself anyhow you want it to look like. From here, we have the delivery style. So if you click on delivery style here, we have different tone of voice you can use. This is the direct voice, this is the mirror voice, and then this is the auto enhanced voice. Any of the delivery style you want to go with, you can pick that. I'm going to just click on auto enhance, and this is going to enhance the voice. Now that has been enhanced, you can see some things has been added here. Now from here you can click on this play option to listen to how the voice sounds like before you use it.
After entering in your script, on the right hand side here, you are going to see some options available here. So this is the avatar. You can also replace your avatar from here. Here, this is where you select the voice that you want to use under your avatar. So let's assume you don't like your voice and you want to use an AI voice on this website. You click on this particular place, you'll be given access to improve the voice, or you can switch the voice. If you click on switch voice, so if you click on HeyGen library, these are voices you can choose. You can click on this play option to listen to how the voice sounds like. If you want to clone your voice, you can click on clone voice, and then you'll be able to clone your voice. So after selecting that, you can come here, and this is where you can change your avatar background. You can customize, you can remove background, you can also select a color as the background. Then this is the layout. You can select original, or you can select circle. If you select circle, this is how it's going to look like. So I'm going to just leave it on original right here. Once you are done, then you go up here where you see generate. Click on generate. Here you change the name of your avatar, and then you select the folder whereby you want this video to export to. Then you select the video resolution, the format. Once you are done and you are okay, then you can come down here and click on the submit option here, and your avatar is going to be generated. Now we are going to see how this avatar looks like when it's done generating. But before that, now how do you make your avatars appear in different environments and different scenes like this? To do that, go over to the left hand side here where you see apps. Click on that, and then from here you are going to see avatar shot. Once you click on avatar shot, you will see something like this. From here we have two options: presenter, meaning you can make your avatar talk like this in different places, and then we have cinematic. This cinematic option, it uses Sedan's tool, which is a powerful AI model, and places your avatar in different environments. You can see the sample video playing right now. You can see how cool that is. So what we are going to do now, you click on cinematic, and then in this text area here, this is where you enter in what you want your character to do and the environment where you want your character to be. Now you will need to select your avatar first. So click on this plus icon here, and then you will see avatar and scene element. Click on avatar, and then you see your own avatar right from here. You can also see public avatars here, see other avatars on the website. We want to use our avatar, so I'm going to select myself here. You see different looks. You can see yourself in different looks, so you pick the one that resemble you a lot. So this is the avatar I uploaded. Now once you select that, you can see your avatar has been added. Now if you click on this option again and click on scene element, the scene element will allow you to upload an image where you want your avatar to be. So for this, I don't have any image to upload, so I'm not going to upload any image. I'm just going to give a description of where I want my avatar to be. So I'm going to just paste in this particular prompt. In this prompt, I said, he's in a busy street playing love song piano. People are gathering around him. So this is what I'm using. All right. So the environment where my character is busy street. The action, what he's doing is playing love song piano. You see now. So the people around, there are people gathered around him. So I've just given that detailed description. Now you need to enable this enhanced prompt so that this AI will enhance your prompt. All right. Now come here, and then this is where you select the aspect ratio of your video. We have portrait, and then we have landscape. Now this is the video resolution, 720 and 1080p resolution, and then we have the auto. So this auto will pick the short duration of your video. If you want to select the duration of your video by yourself, you click on custom here, and then you can select the video duration that you want to use. So let's say, for example, I want to use a 15 seconds video. I'll just have to drag that to the end. But if I want to make it a 10 seconds video, anyhow I want it to be, I can customize it right from here. So let's assume I want to just use a 10 seconds video. I'm going to just select that. Now come here and then click on this send button, and my video is going to be generated. So take a look at the video I generated and see if it's something that is worth it. And now to use the video generation on this website, you need to go over to the left hand side here where you see apps. Click on apps. These are different features you can use on this website. Now if you come here, you see AI Studio, AI Video Generator, Product Placement, Generate Images. You can also generate images from this badge mode, long video to short, upscale video, PTT, PDF to video, face swap, interactive video. So these are different sweet features you can use on this website. With just a single subscription, you have access to all of this. So let's go ahead to try out the AI video generator on this website. So I'm going to click on AI video generator. So you can see it has opened up. Then from here, we can now write in our prompts that we want to use. If you click on the sedans tool that you see here, you have Google View 3 right from here. Then if you click on reference video, you can reference a video. You can use text, first frame and last frame. If I click on this one, it will give me access to upload an image to convert to a video. So I just want to use reference to video. So from here, I can use my AI avatar if I like. I can click on avatar. Then I can click on browse all avatars. So here I have my own avatar available here, meaning I can use my own avatar. So if I select my own avatar, you can see it has generated different looks for my avatar. Alright, so I think I like this one, so I'm going to use this avatar. You can see the avatar has been uploaded. So now I can give a description of what I want the avatar to do here. Then here you select the camera motion. So here we select our camera motion, and then we can add music, select the duration of your video. We have up to 15 seconds. Then we also can select the video resolution from here. Then this is the video aspect ratio. So now let's go ahead with it. I don't want to use my avatar. I just want to create an AI video. So for this, I'm going to use the multi-scene cut. So I'll just click on that, and you can see these are the reference images used in this multi-scene shot. Now I'm going to come here and click on this send button to get my video generated. And we are going to see how this video looks like. But before we see that, let's go ahead to take a look at our avatar video and see if it's something that we can use. Now you can come here and take a quick preview of the video.
But what if I told you this entire video was created from just one 15-second recording of myself? No studio, no camera crew, no re-recording.
After that, you come over here and you see this download option to download your videos. Another cool thing we can do here is to use the translate option right here to translate what this avatar is saying. So let's just try that out. So I'm going to click on translate, and then I'll select the language I want this avatar to translate to. So let's assume I want to use French. Alright, so I'm going to select French, select that. You can also translate the script and translate the text showing on the screen right from here. Then I'll click on translate, and it's going to be translated. You can go ahead again to download this to your device.
Mais que diriez-vous si je vous disais que cette vidéo entière a été créée à partir d'un seul enregistrement de 15 secondes de moi-même? Pas de studio, pas d'équipe de tournage, pas de réenregistrement.
You can see how nice and perfect, how the lip sync and how the movement is. And here's the output of the video we generated. Now, over to the right hand side here, you can upscale the video if you don't like the quality. You can do a quick avatar video from this video. You can generate an AI video and all of that. So if you are satisfied with the video look, then you come over here and click on this download option, and your video is going to be downloaded. So now you can see how cool it is and nice it is. So this is how you use this website to generate AI videos, generate digital twin of yourself, and you can repeatedly use it in any environment. You want it to say anything, you can use that, and this will save you the stress of shooting video every time. Also, it's going to save you the cost of hiring people, hiring camera, buying expensive cameras, paying for editing and all that. Now go ahead and try this website out. Use the link in the video description below and in the comment section of this video to try this website out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.